Decked Out Jeep Wrangler here once again. Today we're doing a review on the accessories that I have to date. I thought it would be great to do like an update video of everything that I have. I've gotten a few people commenting below some of the videos asking for that, so this should be quite interesting. Let's get it going. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with the bumper that we have, and then move up, and then move to the side, and then move to the back, and then move to the inside. Moving to the side of the vehicle, we're starting off with the wheels. Here we are at the back of the Jeep. First thing that's noticeable is the exhaust. Alright guys, so we've just made it inside, so let's take a look at what we have in here. Moving to the back interior wise, let's take a look at what we have. Starting with the wild boar handle right over here. Finally moving into the trunk. I consider these accessories a necessity that every Jeep owner should have. We did a small video earlier where I had half of the things that I have today. Let's take a look. Starting with the fire extinguisher right over here. We got a cargo cover here by GPCA as well. Now those necessity items I was talking about, let's take a quick look. Okay, so we got a jerry can, windshield washer, we got some tether straps and recovery straps. Got some pylons just in case I gotta pull over on the side of the road. Jumper cables, first aid, a shovel, and a nice scraper, which is just back here. In the middle top portion right over here, I got a flashlight that clips onto my alien shade. I can detach this anytime. It has some awesome lights. Look at that. Pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. Alright guys, so this wraps it up. I hope it was informative and fun. I hope this is inspiring to some extent or to a full extent. I'm truly happy with what I've done. It was fun. So please remember, subscribe, hit the like, share, and Jeep, just empty every pocket. We'll see you guys soon. Take care.